What if I told you that you could grow the sweetest, juiciest strawberries even in the hottest climates? Yes, you heard that right. Strawberries, those little red gems of summer, can thrive even when the sun is blazing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. Strawberries are one of the most loved fruits, but many gardeners avoid growing them in hot climates because they think it's too hard. But here's the good news. With the right techniques, you can enjoy a bumper harvest of sweet strawberries no matter where you live. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to grow strawberries that are bursting with flavor. Let's dive in. Why grow strawberries in hot climates? Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why bother growing strawberries in a hot climate? Well, for starters, homegrown strawberries taste way better than store-bought ones. They're sweeter, juicier, and packed with flavor. Plus, growing your own means you control how they're grown. No pesticides, no chemicals, just pure, delicious fruit. But it's not just about taste. Growing your own food is incredibly satisfying. It connects you to nature, gives you a sense of accomplishment, and can even save you money. And let's be honest, there's nothing like picking a ripe strawberry straight from your garden and popping it into your mouth. So if you've been hesitant to grow strawberries because of the heat, it's time to rethink that. With a few simple adjustments, you can create the perfect environment for your strawberries to thrive. Choosing the right variety. The first step to growing sweet strawberries in hot climates is choosing the right variety. Not all strawberries are the same, and some handle heat much better than others. Alpine strawberries, small but packed with flavor, these are surprisingly heat-tolerant and low maintenance. Quinault strawberries, known for producing fruit all season long, even in warmer weather. Seascape strawberries, a day-neutral variety that handles heat really well. Chandler strawberries, while they're usually grown in cooler climates, they can do well in heat with a little extra care. When picking your plants, look for varieties labeled as heat tolerant or suitable for warm climates. This will give you a head start on your strawberry growing journey. Preparing the soil. Strawberries are picky about their soil, so getting it right is key. They love well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. Here's how to prepare your soil for planting. Test the soil. Strawberries thrive in slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Use a home testing kit. Send a sample to a local gardening service. Amend the soil. If your soil is too alkaline, add sulfur or peat moss to lower the pH. If it's too acidic, add lime to raise it. Add compost. Mix in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil and improve its texture. This also helps retain moisture, which is crucial in hot climates. Ensure good drainage. Strawberries hate wet feet, so make sure your soil drains well. If you have heavy clay soil, consider planting in raised beds or containers. Planting your strawberries. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant your strawberries. Here's how to do it right. Choose the right spot. Strawberries need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily, but in hot climates, they'll appreciate some afternoon shade. Pick a spot with morning sun and protection from the intense afternoon heat. Space them out. Plant your strawberries 12 to 18 inches apart, with the crown where the leaves meet the roots just above the soil surface. If planting in rows, space the rows 2 to 3 feet apart. Mulch generously. Mulch is a game changer for strawberries in hot climates. It keeps the soil cool, retains moisture, and prevents weeds. Use straw, pine needles, or shredded leaves and apply a thick layer around your plants. Caring for your strawberries. Growing strawberries in hot climates requires a little extra care, but it's totally worth it. Here's how to keep your plants healthy and productive. Water consistently. Strawberries need regular moisture, especially in hot weather. Water deeply once or twice a week, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses work best. Fertilize regularly. Strawberries are heavy feeders, so fertilize them every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Avoid overdoing it, though too much fertilizer can lead to lots of leaves but few fruits. Protect from pests. Watch out for slugs, snails, and birds. Use organic pest control methods like diatomaceous earth for slugs and netting for birds. Prune and thin. Remove dead or yellowing leaves to improve airflow and prevent disease. Thin outrunners, those long stems, to encourage stronger growth and better fruit production. Harvesting your strawberries. The moment you've been waiting for harvesting your strawberries, here's how to know when they're ready. Look for color. Ripe strawberries will be fully red with no white or green spots. Check the texture. Gently squeeze the berry. It should be firm, but slightly soft. Taste test. The best way to know if your strawberries are ready is to taste one. If it's sweet and juicy, it's time to harvest. When picking, gently twist the berry off the stem to avoid damaging the plant. Enjoy them fresh or use them in jams, pies, and smoothies. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best care, things can go wrong. Common mistakes to watch out for. Overwatering. Strawberries need consistent moisture, but too much water can cause root rot. Make sure your soil drains well. Planting too deep, if the crown is buried, it can rot. Keep it just above the soil surface when planting. Ignoring pests. Pests can destroy your plants if left unchecked. Inspect your plants regularly and take action at the first sign of trouble. The secret to sweeter strawberries. Here's a little secret to make your strawberries even sweeter. Stress them out. No, I'm not kidding. Slightly reducing water just before harvest can increase the sugar content in the fruit, making them even sweeter. Just be careful not to overdo it too much. Stress can harm the plants. Growing the sweetest strawberries in hot climates isn't just possible, it's incredibly rewarding. With the right variety, proper soil prep, and a little extra care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious, homegrown strawberries. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gardening tools, pick up some heat-tolerant strawberry plants, and get started today. And once you've harvested your first batch, I'd love to hear about it. Share your strawberry growing journey in the comments below. Happy gardening!